What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a PlayStation 5 controller. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve for the top of the controller. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to bend this up in the middle, go across and then bring that down towards the right. Now to work our way down the side of the handle. So let's go back to the left side, we're going to bend this out and come down, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. We want to bring that down towards the same height. Now I'm just going to curve the bottom and then bend that in. Let's round up the inside and pull that up. And then come up in an angle to right about there. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now that we have the shape of the controller in place, along the bottom we're going to draw two circles. Let's start on the left side, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's line this up over on the right side. So we're going to line up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's trace each of those circles along the inside. And then we're going to go up towards the top and add in that panel. Let's start on the left, angle this down and in, go to the right side, come down towards the same height. Now I just want to round this out, go straight across, and then round out the right side. Let's trace this panel on the outside. So we're going to step out, again, angling this down and in, round out the bottom, and come all the way across towards the right. Round this out and then go up. Now along the side we're going to add a trim, going around that circle and then come down towards the bottom, and I'm just going to line that up on the right side. Now in the center let's add a series of small holes. We're going to start right in the middle with one small circle and add two on either side. And then just below in between, we're going to add 4 more circles. Let's move down and add a button. We're going to start with 2 lines, one along the bottom, one along the top, and then we'll just round out the ends. Let's go up towards the top. There's 2 buttons along the sides. So we're going to start on the left, going up. We want to follow this curve coming in and angle that back down. Now we're going to line that up on the right, doing the same thing. Now over on the right side, we're going to add those 4 buttons. Let's start with a V, coming down and up. Now we're going to leave a gap, come in and then out from both sides, and then do the same thing across the bottom. Let's go up to the top. We're going to draw 2 straight lines going up, and I'll round out the top. Come down along the bottom, and we'll round this out. Now along the side, add 2 lines going out. Now along the top, we're going to draw a small oval for another button. Now on the outside of each button, we're going to draw a small little arrow, like a little triangle, and fill those in black. We're just pointing these out from the center. Now we're going to go all the way over towards the right side and add 4 small circles. Let's start with the one along the top, going around and then up. Let's leave a gap, add 1 across the bottom. Now we move out to the side and add 1 more. Now I want to draw that same button over on the right side with that oval. And then inside each of these buttons, we're going to add that symbol, starting with the triangle. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a PlayStation 5 controller. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different things just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.